Creating a website using HTML and CSS involves building the structure and styling of web pages. Here's a simplified guide. Set up your project. Create a project folder and organize files. Inside, create an HTML file for the structure and a CSS file for styling. HTML structure. In your HTML file, use basic tags like HTML, head, and body. Structure your content using tags like header, nav, main, footer, etc. Add content. Inside the HTML tags, add content using elements like hi, p, a for links and more. Embed images with img. Link CSS file. In the HTML file's head, link the CSS file using the following link. CSS styling. In the CSS file, select HTML elements using selectors. Apply styles with properties like color, font family, and margin. Box model. Understand and use the CSS box model. Adjust spacing with margin and padding. Set width and heights with width and height. Flexbox or grid. Enhance layout and responsiveness using Flexbox or CSS Grid for more advanced layouts. Responsive design. Make your website responsive by using media queries to adjust styles based on screen size. Testing. Regularly test your website in different browsers to ensure compatibility and responsiveness. Publish. Host your HTML and CSS files on a web server or use platforms like GitHub Pages for free hosting.